But we in here, we're in this thing, about to get crunk, eyebrows on fleek. Good morning. Well, it's actually not morning. It's 10:30 p.m. on Friday. I took a nap so that I could get up and pack for Punta Cana. We're leaving in a few hours to go on a week-long vacation in Punta Cana. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Five hours later.
How, Sway? How were all those clothes only 39 pounds? Okay, you guys. Okay. Mad dash to the lift. I don't even have on earrings yet. Listen.
I don't have lipstick yet.
I have on lipstick. Don't have on earrings yet. We got our passports.
Passports.
Where's your passport?
Check.
Passport check. We barely made it. Our driver is amazing. He is packing our things and rearranging them, and so excited. Finally gonna get out of here. I don't know where she's going, but yeah, it is 3:34 in the morning and 5:05, and we have pre-check. Okay. So we're good. Just a matter of getting out of there. Just a matter of getting out of there. So on our way to the airport, and I will hit you guys later. Bye. You guys, we made it through security. I don't know how. It was nothing but the grace of God. Thank God for pre-check, because our flight starts boarding in like 30 minutes, and we did not know how this was gonna happen. There's Deanna. She cut her hand.
I'm bleeding. I'm not doing very well.
I'm not doing well. Oh, baby. Oh my God, baby. So, we're here, and I'm so excited. I don't know if Deanna's excited yet because she's so tired, but I don't care. I'm excited.
Hey,
I am super
excited. Listen,
good about time.
The government needs to open back up, because the TSA pre-check people, they're not very happy. I don't blame them, but oof.
Yeah, it was a little rough. So anyway,
A1, A2.
we are positions A1 and A2, and if you've ever flown Southwest, then you know your boarding position is everything. And honey, we landed A1 and A2, not just from here to Atlanta, but from Atlanta to Punta Cana too.
For the birthday
Shenanigans. Super excited to be on this trip. I don't know if I told you guys, we're celebrating Deanna's birthday. Her birthday's actually tomorrow, but
what the?
you know, we gotta get there, get rested, you know what I'm saying? So we can have fun all week. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Yeah. There are 500 children around us. Thank you. 500.
Cross-check complete.
Why are people bringing their kids to the Dominican? I don't understand. Ain't nobody got time for that. Or this. None of this. None of this. We made it! Y'all don't judge me, but we made it! We're here! They got my cousins! They got my cousins! We made it! You know what I'm saying? Y'all know anytime black folks see other black folks out of the country, they automatically your cousins. So them is my cousins. So anyway, let's look at the screen. So we made it. Super excited. And we'll get with y'all once we got stuff. Bye. A hut. Like, that's outside. Like, right there. That's outside. Like, we're literally in a hut. But this is the airport. This is baggage claim. It's super crazy, super busy over here. We got all of our things. So now it's just time for us to find our transportation and get to the resort. Not letting someone take your bags is like a really big thing here, right? When you get to the airport, that's what's letting anybody take your bags. But if you have arranged transportation through a travel company or what have you, they're supposed to take your bags. You allow them to take your bags. You don't have to be protective over them. It's the other people. I wish I would have shown y'all them other people, but I didn't. Sorry. So anyway, there's Deanna. We're on our way to get in our little van or whatever and go over to the hotel. So, all right, you guys. So we are in the shuttle on our way to the resort. It's literally just me and Deanna.
It's just us.
Dope. We got Wi-Fi, able to get on the internet and send iMessages and FaceTime. But yeah, man, we're on our way and super excited. Super excited. Hi, Deanna.
We're not way with the money on it.
Hi, we're at CHIC.
Hi.
Hey, sis.
Hey, so. Let's go. Hi. So we're here. How do you feel?
I'm excited. Let the shenanigans begin.
Look at who?
The
shenanigans. Too funny. Super excited. I'll take y'all as much as I can take you on, cause you know, life. Hola. It's not even hot. I don't even need it. I'll take it though. Gracias.
Where you from, my ladies?
Tennessee and Texas, United States.
Yeah, what's your last name?
Winton. Yep.
You are VIP.
That's her.
Oh.
Yeah, we are. You know.
Follow me.
All right. A little pool towel action, you know what I'm saying? You're talking about we VIP, you know.
How many days you stay here with us?
7? A week? A whole week.
Yeah.
Diamond Club action, you know. Hola.
How are you?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Excelente. Welcome to CHIC Punta Cana.
Gracias.
My name is Carmen and I will be assisting you. May I have your passport, please?
I was trying to put you on that blue hype yesterday for somebody.
Why are we buying ornaments to have to pack them to move? We can get them moving.
Something to do.
You take a picture of the pretty tree.
I'm gonna take a picture of the trees.
This is a tree that
Here's the trees you keep talking about. Jesus.
That I tried to tell her yesterday to get those decorations from Target. She didn't do it.
I tried to tell her yesterday to get them decorations from Target and she didn't do it. Happy? Point is, I'm always right and my frister is a brat. All right, you guys, so we're here in the Diamond Club. Just got our registration stuff taken care of. Got our wristbands, you know, this is your key to the room. So, not the hand, no. But yeah, so it just started raining randomly. But you know, what can you do? Getting ready to go to our room. Bye. I want to give a quick room tour. When you first walk in, there is the safe. Nice little art. Here's our closet. We got slippers, drawers, some hangers, some pillows. Hi. Robes, ironing board, extra blanket, little space to put our luggage. Here's the bathroom. It's super cute. 2 sinks, which is awesome. A shower with a little rainfall situation. The shower and the tub will be in this mug. Little seating. I'm definitely sitting down while I take my shower. Hello. Separate water closet, which is great, with a phone on the inside. Beautiful. Go into the room. And that's my luggage. That's Gianna's, that's mine. You know, it's a good old liquor situation. We also have a mini bar. It's all inclusive when you come here. I also have a little mini bar with mixers and waters and all that kind of stuff. Coffee maker, That's my backpack. This is Gianna's bag. And here's our room. We got the 2 beds, the shower. Whatever. Great. Awesome. So there you go. This is Gianna's bed. It's my bed. A little seating area and our TV. So the TV is super important here because you can literally order things off the TV. We're about to order room service right now because we're both starving and it's pouring rain outside. So there's room service, lunch and dinner. That's that. This is really dope, little art situation. Outside, the storm is raging, but today's the only day it's supposed to be raining. It's supposed to be beautiful the rest of the week. Super excited about that. So yeah, that was a quick little room tour, you guys. I'm tired and I'm hungry. So that's all you're getting, but we will check back in with you later. You guys, they're having a foam party outside. We just got here. And look at the foam flying by our window. It's hilarious. It's like clouds. We will not be joining them. We are tired. Bye.
Don't worry about it.
Sorry, you guys. We're starving. Cheese quesadilla, cheeseburger, cheese tray, some crackers.
Cheeseburger with no cheese.
Well, anyway, sorry. We're dying, hungry. Bye. So, you guys, it's like 10:30 p.m. Yeah. If you're wondering what happened for the rest of the day, this is what happened and what's currently happening. Yeah. Meanwhile, there's a whole party happening outside. But this is that's what's happening. So we'll try again tomorrow, okay? Bye.
Tiene sueño, bendito sea, bendito sea.